Here in this code sample, we first create a mutable list object that holds references for objects instantiated from the class student. Each one of these objects represents a specific student. Calling the function collect on the mutable list object, passing over this lambda expression, means that indirectly a new mutable list object will be created, and it will include strings. It will include the names of the students. Actually, we can imagine that the collect function includes code that iterates the students and invoke this function with each one of them, so that the name returned each invocation is added to the new mutable list created over here. Therefore, when we execute this code, we get a mutable list that includes strings, the names of the students. Calling the collect if, we pass over another argument, an argument which is a lambda expression that represents the check we want to be performed with each student, so that only those students for which this lambda expression returns true, their names will be included in the new collection. So if we go over the output, we can see that only Moshe, Ron, and Jane actually have an average bigger than 90. Moshe, Ron, and Jane. Calling the group by function on the collection we have, passing over this lambda expression, means that we get a new multi-map object that the keys are the averages, the values for those keys. Each value is a collection of students with that specific average. So in this case, as you can see, we have Moshe with average 99, but David is not the only one with the average 85. John also has the average 85. So if we take a look at the output, we can see that for the key 85, the value is a collection that includes two students, those two students with the average 85.